Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Amazon FBA inventory settings in Seller Central step by step clearly. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Inventory. Locate the inventory item you want to restore settings for. Click on the checkbox next to the item's title. Next, hover over the Actions button to reveal additional options. Select Edit from the drop-down list. On the Edit page, scroll down to the Inventory section. Here, check the Restock Date field and ensure it is current. Review and adjust the fulfillment channel if necessary. In the Offer section, confirm that the sale price is set correctly. If you have modified the product's details, make sure to update the condition as needed. Scroll down to the Shipping section to check the shipping options. Adjust the settings if you need to change the shipping method. Next, confirm the fulfillment center settings, ensuring they are directed to the right location. Review the product details section for any discrepancies. Make any necessary changes to keywords or descriptions. Once all settings are verified, click the Save and Finish button. A confirmation message will appear indicating changes have been saved. Repeat this process for any additional items that need restoration. Finally, return to the Manage Inventory screen to confirm updated settings are reflected accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.